Okay, so there are two different techniques you can use, depends on you, but another one I like is simple. You take the garlic, you crush it with your knife, get some salt. But remember, when you use the salt, you need to be careful when you're seasoning the food, so you can just put the salt and then crush it and slide. Saves you a lot of time then chopping and whatnot. So this, what the salt does, the salt kind of crushes the garlic, kind of works like a grinder. So you kind of have your garlic like a paste. So when you have like this here, very nice. Saves you so much time than chopping a whole bunch of garlic. But the other technique, let me just put this away, let me show you the other technique. The other technique, simple, same.